Hello guys. So now we have learned everything about Elementor free version. Now let's get into Elementor Pro version. Yeah, we had created two pages, and in one page we have seen the widgets and elements provided by basic section, under basic section, and one more is under general section. We have seen all the widgets and everything, so almost everything is covered from Elementor free version. Now let's get started with Elementor Pro version. So this is going to be the first video in which we'll be installing Pro version, and in our upcoming videos we'll dig deeper into Pro version features, right? So how to install it? Just like any other plugin, you need to go to plugins and click on add new. So the Pro version is not freely available, so you'll not be able to find it here. You'll need to click on upload plugin. How to get Pro version? You need to go to Elementor's website. And once you enter into Elementor's official website, you'll have to go to pricing, or else I think you can purchase it from get started as well. You can see there are 4 pricing options available here, and the free version is you can get started, you can just download simply, or else you can simply search here and you'll get that free version. But here we want Pro version, right? So for one site it's around $49, and you can click on buy new button and purchase your plugin. So I have already purchased the plugin, so I can log in into my account. Once you purchase, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this, and here you'll be able to see all the websites that are connected, and on the left side you'll get some panels which are meant for certain tasks. Like in subscription, you'll be able to manage your subscription, and under support you'll be able to get the support from the team, official team, and here you can find other developers or freelancers working who can help you with Elementor project. And starter tour is nothing but just a demo and overview of this particular dashboard. So these are all not required right now. What we want is we want to download the Pro version, right? So here once you click on subscription, you have this Elementor Pro Personal. I have purchased this one, and now I can download the Pro version from here, this button, download zip file, or else you can directly download it from here also. You can download it from here. So I have already downloaded it. Let me download once again. You need to save it and then go back to your dashboard, and here you need to click on browse and select that plugin and click install now. So let me repeat, you'll not be able to find Elementor Pro version from this default WordPress repository. You will be only able to see the free version, but for Pro version you will have to purchase it from their official website and then download the zip file. And once you go to your website, and then you will have to install and activate the plugin. You need to click on activate plugin. Alright, so now Elementor Pro version is activated. Now if you go to on the left hand side, you will be able to see there is a new options called as pop-up. Under templates you will have new options called as pop-ups and theme builder. These two are really amazing features that you'll definitely love these features, using these features. So let's see what comes in under theme builder. If you see under theme builder, you can create dynamic headers, you can create dynamic footer, you can create single page, single template, you can create single post, you can create single page, you can create archive, search results, and 4/4 pages as well. And under pop-ups, here you can create any kind of pop-ups that you can imagine. Trust me, this is going to be really helpful feature for you, and this theme builder is going to be of immense help in our later videos as well to create dynamic websites. And then if you install WooCommerce, then again we'll have 3 to 4 new templates for single product, archive product, and for search results we'll have some more 1 or 2 to 3 features. Template styling options will be available here as well. So we'll see that in WooCommerce section. However, now under Elementor Pro, we'll see all these features. And let me see if our Pro version widgets are now enabled or not. Before this, when we were using free version, at that time we were logged out of the Pro version template, Pro version widgets, right? Just say like if you click on edit with Elementor here and see, we were only having access to the basic widgets and general widgets, right? Let me see if now Pro version has been enabled now or not. So basic widgets all were available previous itself, and now Pro version is also available. Earlier we had some lock icon over here, they were locked out so that we could not use these widgets. Now all these widgets are unlocked, right? So Pro version, all the widgets are unlocked now. We can use all these widgets, and under general section these were already available to us. So yeah, and then under site, these widgets we can use now easily, and we can also use WooCommerce widgets as well. I think WooCommerce will be here, somewhere here. All right, because we did not install WooCommerce. If we install WooCommerce, we will have one more section called as WooCommerce, and another set of widgets will be available for this. All right, then we have now successfully installed it, and we have also activated it. To activate, you just need to you should have the license, and then you will have to click on activate once you upload and install it, right? And so in our next video, I'll tell you briefly about what is template library. It is one of the features that we need to know before we get started. Once you understand the template libraries, and then we can get started with all these features, like here under template theme builder, we have header, footer, single post, single page, archive, search results, and 404. All these things we'll be seeing. And before entering into these dynamic features, I'll explain you what is template library, how to use pre-made templates using Elementor official templates, and how to import templates and export templates. After that, we can get started with these concepts, and also we will see the widgets that are available under Pro version. So see you in the next video. Thank you.